Do property owners and developers sometimes use land in ways that do not comply with established zoning regulations? MAPOG's border intersection tool enables urban planners and compliance officers to analyze property boundary intersections with zoning attributes to identify non-compliance areas. Launch the Map Analysis interface, go to GIS Library and search for a country first and its land use polygon, and add them. Rename the layer for better understanding. Instead of untitled map, save your project with a proper name that describes the project accurately. Rapid and precise identification of non-compliance areas is vital for effective urban management and enforcement. Click on the Border Intersection tool using the Process Data option in the header to accomplish that. In the Select Polygon section, provide the Land Use Polygon layer, and Select Polygon Attributes section, provide the Land Use attribute. Next, in the Select Other Attributes section, provide the attributes you want in the output result. Using the Show Data table of the newly created Border Intersection layer, you will be able to view the attributes sharing the same borders and their length. Do the category styling from Style Data based on the intersection pair for proper identification purposes. Using the Border Intersection tool in MAPOG, we've analyzed that mainly the residential areas are sharing borders with farmland and industrial areas. This tool for land use compliance provides urban planners and compliance officers with a powerful method to ensure properties adhere to zoning regulations. This approach facilitates the quick identification of non-compliant areas, supports effective enforcement, and promotes orderly urban development. Thanks for joining this comprehensive guide. Got queries? Contact us at support@mapog.com.